Might get it out in a minute. Here we go. Here she is. The moment we've all been waiting for. K1300s. 30th anniversary edition. I did go out on it yesterday. I won't tell a lie. But I just wanted to have a play just before I start videoing. There we go. Okay, all my lights are off. That's the quickest I've gone up there. So, BMW K1300s. Ugh. And I've cleaned these leathers to the point where I'm sliding backwards and forwards on the seat now, which is a bit stupid, but they just needed a clean. So I've got to grip the tank with my legs. We'll let her warm up a bit. We need to get some fuel. Whoop. Just missed a pothole, which was good. So yeah, at the moment it's new to me, so you know, nothing silly gonna happen. But I've got to say, it rides very similar to my CBR 1000F that I had, which is bizarre. Sounds awesome. It's got an Apropovic silencer on it. Got a quick shifter on it. That makes it sound brilliant. So it's the first sunny day since the 19th of December when, hang on a minute, let me think about this. Now I bought it on the 19th of November, I think. Anyway, basically it needed a few bits doing to it, which they very kindly did. Heated grip, front suspension joint, rear disc and pads. I fitted a rear hugger to it. And yeah, I'm very pleased with it. So I bought myself some matching leathers. They're not new. They are second hand. They're Frank Thomas ones and they're in the same colours as the bike. And I was very fortunate that they fit in every way. I bought myself a new helmet, and that was a Bell. I've always wanted a Bell helmet. And it's called the Breadwinner of all things, but it's a lovely helmet in black with graduated check in grey, and it's got a visor that goes dark on its own, so I don't need a tinted visor. Now I've fitted the drift camera into the helmet, but I don't know quite how it's going to sound. It could be a total disaster, so I don't know whether you can hear the quick shifter working. So this is a 2013 30th anniversary edition in red and black and white. It's done 46,000 miles. I've done about 30 miles on it so far. Mirrors are great, I can see everything. It seems like you may have to be above a certain rev limit for it to work properly. The shifter, I mean. That sounds lovely. I think we'll go around this guy down here. Just get over so we can see. Oop. Yeah, we're all clear. Certainly gets there very quickly. 175 brake horsepower this. 4-cylinder, inline cooled. It's a monster. But only if you make it a monster. But it's a sports tourer, so the sitting position is really nice actually. My hands are aching already though. It's not the wrist, it's just because I grip so hard. See, I'm being good through here. Showing restraint. Doesn't feel any heavier than the R1200. It feels a lot more manoeuvrable. So we're in a 30 and it's in 4th. Seems happy. Nice and smooth, very progressive. Do we want to go up here? No, I'm going to go round. Going to have traffic lights wherever I go, so. Keeping my eyes out for everybody. I think I need a mesh seat cover like I had before. I just can't stop slipping all over the place. I've got adjustable rear sets on these, but I certainly don't want to adjust them any further back. But their grips are nice and small as well. It's because I've got little hands. Well, I've got little hands, and as a result, it means that these big grips are a problem. Just got to get used to the gearing and lost my footing then. Arden BMW. We'll have to turn the camera off, I'm guessing. So see you back in a while. Right. Oh, Mr. Technician Man had a quick look, and it potentially could be a remote. Bye. That's Carly. Here she is. She's looking a bit sad, a bit grubby, but that was only because yesterday. There's lots of nice stuff around here, bike-wise. I don't think I'm old enough for a GS yet. Right, and whilst I can sling my leg over one of these, I will. So at least my fuel light works anyway. Sorry. We'll let her go first. Oh, looks like we've got a bit of a fire down there. I'm so used to changing gear with my clutch. I'm just interfering with what should be going on. But it is very flickable and very usable considering the weight. And I can't remember what the weight is on this offhand. Temperature's starting to drop again now. Let's see. Oh, have they? Alright, see you later. And look, how easy is that to push in? Marvellous. paddock stand. Right, so if you like the video and are interested in what I do, like and subscribe, thumbs up, and join me on the next ride on Greta. It's official.